Okay, air conditioning on a Fishker Karma. I've done a couple of videos on these, so it's not the first one, but give you a little over their motor, just like the Tesla. And like I always have to mention in every one of my videos on the Fishker Karma, this is what the Tesla was supposed to look like, because the designer who actually designed the body, this was supposed to be the Tesla, but he apparently was offered money and put together something on the side and ran away from Tesla and left Tesla with that kind of plain looking round nose, no real style line kind of car. And he took his design that was going to be the Tesla, went over and made this vehicle, but Tesla won anyway, even though this is a very nice looking luxurious car. They went hybrid instead of full electric. Biggest mistake in the world. And but for looks wise, I gotta say this takes the cake. It's a nice looking 4-door sedan, but they have a problem. The whole dash had to come out because for the air conditioning dampener inside, which is like a blind, a series big roller with a big screen that goes up and down, it breaks all the time. So they needed me to discharge the system, take it apart, fix the part, and I come back and fill it up. And I've been doing this ever since they became the Fishker Repair Center for Northern California. And my hands have been on every Fishker in this place that had to have AC touched, or engine jobs, or air conditioning, or anything, because the air conditioning cools the coolant for the battery cooling too. Any front end jobs. If it's a Fishker and it's been in North America, I'm the one who did the air conditioning on it. Excellent car. Oh, and unfortunately I just got another notice from another one of my technicians at a shop. He's moving to Texas because of the whole virus thing and lockdown and shutdown and all that, and he's sick and tired of California. Him and his wife are picking up, and after this whole thing blows over, we'll get out of California, purchase and build a brand new house in Texas, and live debt-free for the rest of their lives instead of being in serfdom, slavery here in California, like a rat running on a rat wheel, chasing that dollar that you can never get if you are a blue-collar worker in California. And that's it for today. The Fishker should work perfectly after I charge it up. It's R134. I have had only one R12YF Fishker, and that was one that was produced for Sweden, I think, or Switzerland or something like that, and it was imported over here, and it was a test vehicle. I was never on the highway, and it ended up here. That's the only Fishker I ever got that had R1234YF in it. European model. See you later, guys.